everybody, my name is Bree the Plant Lady. Today I'm taking on a big shrub. It's 10 years in the making. Getting to this compacta holly hedge, which was here before I moved in, and I'm not going to remove it entirely, but I'm going to cut it down by half. Before I get started, I want to talk about the right tools for this job. Now, first thing, I want to recommend that you always buy quality tools. That way you don't have to buy them over and over again. So I love these still pruners. These are going to be the primary that I use for cutting back this hedge. Another tool that I've been using to maintain this are my Akatsun hedge shears. And you know, these are amazing, and eventually I will be using these again, but these are not the tool for what I'm doing today. And then on my hip are my trusty Akatsun hand pruners. These are ideal for branches that are a little bit smaller. So between these three tools, I can do everything that I need for pruning in my landscape. I always encourage people to work smart and not hard. And my trick for today is to bring my yard trailer right here to the area that I'm going to be doing the pruning, so that it'll be easy for me to put all of the material that's being cut onto the trailer and then drive it back so I can land it into my compost pile. Give you a quick close-up of what I've gotten done so far. I've done 2 shrubs, and I'm leaving some of this wispy growth, knowing that all of these will eventually flush back out. So these aren't dead, they're just being rejuvenated, so to speak. So there's that, and then I've got 2 more to go through and prune. So you can see why these are the perfect pruners. They just cut these without any effort at all. As you can see, I managed to fill the trailer and got these 4 compacta hollies cut way back. They don't look beautiful. That's not the point. The point is that they're trimmed and there's enough green to allow them to photosynthesize, and that they will reflush, and I will be able to manage these significantly smaller, ideally underneath the succulent window box.